and welcome to today's video. August favourites. It is September. Finally my season has arrived. I've just got my nails done today. Shellac, no it's not shellac, gel bottle chocolate. It's one of my favourites. It's raining, it's thundering. I'm in my element. This is just my favourite weather ever. And I've been waiting for it forever. I was telling the girls in the nail place that I've been waiting for autumn since June. You know when it kind of summer stretches out too long and you're not getting the warm days, you're not getting the autumny days? We are, but it's still a bit warm, it's still a bit muggy. Like I'm waiting for the temperatures to drop. So anyway, you know it's time. The pumpkin mug is coming out. It's time. It stays in the cupboard all year until September and then I use it. Oh my God, I love it. I was in one of the shops today, you know, those are gifty shops. And they had the most loveliest little Halloween-y section with little pumpkins, like, you know, the jelly cat pumpkins. Oh my gosh, they're so sweet. I could just get all of it. I love it all. So yeah, I've got a few videos coming up that I want to do. I thought let's do some empties, some favourites, and of course an autumnal get ready with me, which I'll probably do next. Because I think I might just get this one up today and then get the autumnal, hello autumn, get ready with me. It won't be this look. I've done another look with a really dark berry lip and like a goldish eye. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, let's begin with my empties. I'm going to start off with double wear. I've finished my double wear. Now look at that. I've scraped every corner, every inch, every bit that I can get out, because let me tell you, there is a lot of foundation left in there. When you find that it's not coming out, start storing it upside down and you'll get the remnants in the lid. Once you stop getting remnants in the lid, get yourself a makeup brush like this and scrape out the rest of the foundation, because this is an expensive foundation, okay? You know, I can't bear the thought of thinking that people just throw it out. I will scrape every last drop out of this till I then crack open a brand new one. Oh my God, look at this beauty. She's brand new. Oh my gosh, obsessed, loving. And there's nothing quite like a fresh new foundation. Give me strength. And double wear at the moment is my favourite. So yes, I've opened another one of those. Next up, this is interesting. You know my favourite sunscreen is the Purito Daily Soft Touch. Again, I will scrape out every last drop. I do this with, like, you know, peanut butter jars, butter tubs, everything. I need to get every bit out. I don't know why. You know, when you open it, there's at least another week and a half of usage in there. I love this sunscreen. I absolutely love it. Now, they've changed the packaging and I really like it. So I kept the box so I can show you. It now looks rather funky like this. Look at this packaging. I think that's fantastic. Really nice. Same product, just different packaging. Now, with this one, it kind of looks like that. But with this one, when you squeeze the lid off, it's like that. I really like the new packaging. I think it's lovely. I actually ordered this one. Where did this come from? I think I ordered it from quite a long way, only because when I find products, I go for the one that's the cheapest. I bought this one off Sephora for £25. I bought this one off, I can't remember the name. Is it Skin Station? I think Skin Station for £14. 25, 14. It's the same thing. You just got to look for the deals. There are deals to be had. So really pleased with this. I love this. It just doesn't feel like a sunscreen. Anytime I put a different sunscreen on, I just feel like, it stings my eyes. This I use all around my eyes. And it just feels like I'm putting on a moisturiser. So I love that. always repurchase. Next up, oh my gosh, this BareMinerals Bare Pro in Petal. I'm scraping out the last bits of this with a lip brush, and I've got it on now with Kim KW on top and Saw lip liner. I love this. I love this so much, and I think this has been discontinued. This is the shade Petal, if I didn't mention. It's one of the most beautifulest shades. It's just such a nice, I kind of compare it to Mac Mur, but slightly lighter, a lighter version of it. But it's just such a great lip colour. It's matte, it's soft, it's long lasting, it's easy to put on. It's a really lovely, flattering colour for like everybody. And I'm just so sad that it's, I don't know if I can still get it. I don't know. Yeah. But I really love that. I really love this colour. I've got another one in the shade Spice, but it's not really my shade, that. Okay. Then I've got Kerastase. This is the conditioner. As you can see, again, I've cut it open. I really like this. I always repurchase this. I've got the Thermique, Cement Thermique as well, which is really, really good. It just keeps my hair just nice and soft. So have used this for years and years and years. Then I've finished my all-nighter setting spray. Do you know, this used to be the #1 setting spray, wasn't it? This was like the top setting spray. It's got a really weird smell. Anyway, I think Charlotte Tilbury has bumped this off the spot. I still really like this, and it's giving me nostalgic vibes. And you know, when something gives me nostalgic vibes, I hold on to it because I'm incredibly nostalgic. So I've been using, I've not repurchased the Charlotte Tilbury one yet again. So I've just been using my Matte Fix Plus, which I love. I love it. I love it. It makes my makeup just look, you know, glowy. I love the smell of it. If they ever change the smell of this, I'm just never going to buy it again. But the smell is so nostalgic. I love just spraying. I'm like, you know. I won't repurchase this because if I'm going to repurchase a makeup spray for like, you know, long wear, then I'll probably go for the Charlotte Tilbury because that was really good, the one that I had. But I don't like the smell of it, and I don't like the way it sprays. I feel like I can't feel it, and I don't like the smell. And for me, smell is really important. I like smells to give me feelings. Do you know what I mean? Speaking of smells, I finished this Bayliss & Hardin Goodness Beautifully Clean Natural Body Wash in Rose and Geranium. I've just got another one of these. I get this from Boots. I love the smell of geranium. Oh my God. I love the smell of geranium. Oh, I don't know. It's like, this smells so like natural. I mean, it does say natural body wash. So it's very subtle rose, but mainly geranium, and that's why I picked it up. They've got a few different ones in their range. I really like it. So I've got another bottle of this because I love the smell of it, because it just smells earthy and geranium-y, and I love it. So I love that smell. So I've repurchased this, and again, I store this upside down till every little last drop goes in here. I like to use things up. Then last but not least, I finished the Neom. Again, look at this. I keep it upside down to get every last drop. Yeah. It's the Calm and Relax Essential Oil Blend. And it's rose and neroli. And I put it in my little Neom diffuser, and I absolutely love this. I keep that diffuser in my bedroom, and I normally put that on like 2 hours before bed. And I put it on in the morning as well. It's so nice in the morning. You know, when you wake up and you're sort of, you know, making the bed, brushing your teeth and all that, I put the diffuser on then, and just the soft light and the scent is really comforting. And the smell of this, every time I go in store to get a different one, I'm like, no, I always come back for this one because I just really like the smell. I think it's the neroli. It's really, really, it makes you feel soft as a cloud, sleepy, you know? Perfect. Love it. Yeah, so I need to get another one of these. So there we are. Those are my empties. I ain't got a lot for you, but that's what I've used up so far. I will come to you with some favourites because I want to show you my favourite candles. My candle that I get all the time, and then a new one that I've got. Some new products. And yes, I don't know if I'll do that before the get ready with me. No, I think you want the get ready with me, won't you? You like a get ready with me. So I'm going to post this one up now so you've got something to watch. And then I'll get to the autumnal Hello Autumn get ready with me for hopefully the weekend. But you know, we'll see. We'll see. I hope you're doing very well. I hope you're enjoying the autumnal season. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.